Yo, out there, YouTube, Zap from 29 here. Welcome back to when you hear about Japan. There's all seasons of the only series on this planet new go, man. It's a series that I built, and the series that you want is aiming in your eyes. If you do what to subscribe to this channel, in the home is for my members, you know someone because all they can, all Japanese series on they can. What you're going to do? I'm Japan. I got Japan tonight. Subscribe. I'm Japan. I'm Japan. All the reasons all alright. I'm Japan. Alright, you know my. It's about serious all the time when you're out in Japan. On Japan, yeah, yeah. So today we're going to talk about this pretty awesome Japanese vending machine. No, the only classic one in the outside of Tokyo, and also be really cool, unique vending machine for maybe like a hobby shop, pip shop. And all this stuff is pretty great for people who are traveling in Japan or just are on the road, just want to get a quick snack from Tokyo or from miles away from in Japan. But anyway, I found this from John YouTube channel, and also only in Japan. Pretty cool, awesome. Thank you for guys. It's pretty cool. So you guys are back in, oh my gosh, like 3 years ago I talked about this topic or something like that, or somewhere around that way I did. But recently I just want to talk about this this is a big kind of big Japanese business you could go and everything like that. Pretty cool convenience store outside of a little tiny town, and also pretty sturdy and nothing like that, because everything is Japan. You get pretty cool. They have much you the quarter and all that with pretty cool snack, and hell, it went to microwave and all some ramen, hot dogs, burgers, and everything like that. You want to get on the streets and also do the little cheap options, and also they'll make it for you cool, awesome machines and also. So, hey guys, that's pretty cool and awesome thing for sure. Hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe to the channel, follow business area. Quick heads up. I'm going to discuss you guys. Really discussing all these from Comic. I'm going to talk on more because that's awesome tech. Just coming tomorrow, the second video and all that stuff. I will talk about more what's gonna happen to Apple, similar to that, or something really awesome Apple related and all that stuff. Some glory and all that stuff. But it's really cool and awesome. So with that, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Check us out. See you guys in the third video. Take care. See ya. Peace. Yeah.